channel, please, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't go without subscribing. Okay, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss my next video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through how you can make money online. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities online whereby I know most people are searching for such opportunities, so I'm going to disclose one of them to you. And this one is an investment plan that you can do to make profit every day. You can do this to make profit every day. People have been cashing out every day. So if you look here, you could see that people are cashing out. So you see the amount that people are cashing out. I hope you could see that. So it's very legit and you can give a try to it. Okay, if you want to invest, you can give a try to it. So I'm going to take you through the steps so that you go about it. So after the video, just check on the description and you see the link there. Click on the link to sign up. It's just a few steps. After you sign up, please follow the tutorial very well. You come here and recharge. Okay, you come here and recharge. You can recharge with USDT or Momo or Vodafone, MTN Momo or Vodafone. Okay, so for example, if you're using MTN Momo, just click on the MTN Momo. So now you come and enter the amount that you want to recharge. So I want to recharge, let's say 100 cedis or 1000. So you enter that amount, then you come and click on recharge now. They will give you the mobile money prompt so that you enter your mobile money pin code to recharge or do your investment. After you are done with the investment, within a day, I'm going to show you the profit margin. So you see, we have steps. You have VIP 1, VIP 2 up to VIP 10. So if you invest 100 cedis, it means that hourly you are going to make 26 pesos. Daily you are going to make 6 cedis, 24 pesos, and monthly you are going to make 187 cedis, 20 pesos, which is annually, which will give you 2,277 Ghana cedis, 60 pesos. So that is the VIP 1. VIP 2, invest 200 cedis. The next one is your profit, so you check it. Because of time, I don't want to waste my time here. So up to VIP 10, that is if you invest 300,000, hourly you are going to make 781,000, and monthly you are going to make, or daily you are going to make 18,750. Monthly you are going to make 562,500, and yearly you are going to make I think a huge sum of money. All right, so that is the profit margin here, and you can also check this one here. I think I've taken you through the VIP, that is the level. So that is it. All right, so over here we have the team and recharges. I think that is it. And let's come here, let's come to the withdrawal side. Okay, let me show you this one here. So we have VIP 1, which is, that is your income per hour. Okay, that is your profit per hour. So you can click on it to join VIP 2, profit per hour, VIP 3 up to VIP 10. Okay, so you can see how they have arranged it here. So that is how the interface is. The interface is user friendly, so you don't have to worry about. So when you want to withdraw, just come to my, okay, when you come to, come to the home page. If you want to withdraw, come to the home page. Okay, then you click on withdraw. Click on the withdraw button here. All right, so when you click on the withdraw button, the minimum that you can withdraw is what, 10 cedis or say withdrawal amount 10